Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. It's Christos here, and today I'm going to be showing you the project I made on Scratch in like 1.5 hours or 2 hours or something. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and let's get into it. You guys can follow along as I show you how I did it. And yeah, let's just get started. So I'll just show the overview first. It's a jumping game. There's a score, you jump over obstacles, and yeah. And I'll just keep going until I reach 50, because when I reach 50, something happens. That is, if I can reach 50. Okay, I reached 25, unfortunately. Wait, what's happening? Okay, never mind. So, I'll just show that later. But anyways, so this is the code for the chick right here. Yeah, so when the space key is pressed, it'll start the sound chirp, which is this sound. And then it repeats, it goes, the chick, the Y of the chick is changed by 10, which makes it go upwards, and then repeat it 10 times, and then the Y is changed by -10 to make it go downwards, and it's repeated 10 times as well. So that's how it does the jumping animation, I guess. Okay, and then after a jump, it will change the score by 1. So yeah, after it jumps over one of these, changes the score by 1. Changes the score by 1. Okay, now when the flag is clicked, it will show the chick, and then it will take it to x -205, y -120. So if the chick is like over here or something, and I just press the flag, it will be set back to there. Okay. So now, when the flag is clicked, it will also set the score to 0. So if the score is, let's just say 2, then when the flag is clicked, it's now 0. And then there's a forever loop, and then an if statement. If the score is equal to 50, then it will hide the chick and stop all of the functions of the chick. And yeah, so that's all the functions for the chick. And before we continue, I'm just going to show you the variable. The variable is just score, and it's set for all of the sprites. Okay, so now time for the first ball. The first ball is this one right here. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's this one. When the flag is clicked, it will show the ball. Then another forever loop. It will go to x 218, y -134, which is basically just here. And then it will glide for 2 seconds to x -219, y -134, which is basically just the edge of the screen. Okay, and then if the ball touches the chick, then it will stop everything, basically, yeah, to stop everything. Then when the flag is clicked, again, another forever loop, if statement. If the score is 50, then it hides the ball. And that's basically the same thing for both of them, except this one, the second ball, has to wait 1 second. If it doesn't wait 1 second, then both the balls will just be stacked on top of each other. So yeah. Then the backdrops right here. When the flag is clicked, it sets the backdrop to this backdrop, the blue sky. And then for another forever loop, if statement. The score equals 50, then it will switch backdrop to backdrop 1. And backdrop 1 is just is this, and this is what it shows when you win. Except these will be hidden because of the hide function. The hide right there. And I'll just play it one more time to try and reach 50. And you can change how much the score goes up if you want to make it easier for yourself, or if you want to make it harder for yourself, you can speed up the balls. Yeah, it doesn't seem I'm going to get to 50 anytime soon, so I'm just going to make it easier for myself and make the score 5. It will change 5 each time I jump over the ball, it will change by 5. So that makes it a lot easier. So all I have to do is just jump 20 times. No, 10 times. Yeah, 10 times. And I reach 50. Congratulations, you won. Okay? And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and